Okay, hello YouTube once again. It's me, Mr. Lowfly16. I was exploring later, like in the afternoon, exploring arcade and spectating, and this is what I found on the little Burger Town place. It's under the stairs. So I was just spectating around, and this is what I found: a big, giant teddy bear. It's really weird, cause I don't know, and it must be a clue to key for zombies maybe on Modern Warfare 3 later on. When you notice I put the zombie song, it's still like the teddy bear. It's the same. It's really cool though. So if you have found any more teddy bears, just tell me. Well, I mostly know where every teddy bear is on every map, but just send me videos and I can post them on YouTube and stuff like that. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and favorite. Oh, and y'all may know White Boy. I like when he says, "I love it when you like it." So I'm gonna just say it. I love it when you like it. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and favorite. Bye. This has been Mr. Lowfly16 Productions. Like this video. Ah, that's good.